Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to turn on dark mode on X, formerly Twitter. So to do this you have just to go to X app, open it, and after that go click on your picture on the top right of the screen, top left of the screen, sorry. And as you can see in the bottom of the screen there is that icon. On the bottom left, click on it, and as you can see it will show you like if you want to turn on or off the dark mode or use the device setting. So you can activate or deactivate the dark mode from there. But you should know something, that the head of product of X company said that in the newest version of the X app it will no longer, you will no longer have the option to switch to dark mode. So actually for the iPhones they can't switch to dark mode, but now it is controlled at the operating system level. So if you want to change to dark mode on iPhones, you should change all your device to dark mode. But in Android the option is still available, but we don't know when also they are going to take it out from Android phones. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.